Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi TT versus Golf. First, identify your priorities and decide if you want a sporty coupe or a versatile hatchback. Start by weighing driving excitement against cargo space and rear seat comfort. Next, consider maintenance and insurance costs that affect long-term ownership. Finally, test drive both trims with your typical commute in mind to see which car suits daily life and weekend fun. Let's talk performance and handling and how they shape the driving experience. The Audi TT delivers a sportier chassis, quicker steering, and more engaging cornering for enthusiastic drivers. The Golf blends comfort with competent handling, making it reassuring in city driving and long trips. Compare engine outputs, turbo lag, and transmission mapping during test drives to feel torque delivery and braking balance before you choose a chassis you enjoy most. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like the channel to support future comparisons. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for neat trunk storage and stress-free lunches after weekend drives. They save time and keep drivetrain grease off shirts. They're handy for road trips and daily commuting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now focus on practicality and ownership costs to match the car to your lifestyle. The Golf's hatchback layout and rear seats make daily tasks like grocery runs and road trips easier. The Audi TT prioritizes style and driver engagement, but limits cargo and passenger space due to its coupe form. Factor in insurance premiums, fuel economy, and routine service costs when comparing total cost of ownership before you commit to a purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.